Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Pokemon version of Mothra. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with her eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to make a nice oval shape like this. And then I'm going to leave some space, and then I want to draw a smaller oval shape right over here. Now, starting right here in between these two circles, I'm going to start a little bit lower, and I'm just going to draw a small oval shape going sideways. And then I'm just going to connect these two lines with a little curve. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line that just comes right over here. Then right here on the mouth, I'm just going to make a little bumpy line just to kind of create the little mouth in there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it back down here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of draw a little curvy line. And then I'm just going to curve it right back towards the eye. Then I'm just going to draw a little curved line up here. And then I'm just going to make a line that curves from here to here. And then a line that just kind of curves all the way back to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up to here. And then another one right up to there. And I'm just going to end it right there. Now, starting right here, we want to make one of her legs. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and just kind of curve a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a line down and then a little line right here. Then I'm just going to draw a nice big oval shape at the end. And then I'm just going to put two little bumps on the end of it. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes up and then down. Then a line that goes over and down. Put a little oval on the end. And then just make kind of two little bumps. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down to here. And then a little line that's going to curve to here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down here. And it's going to go a little bit wider out and then kind of come back. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then out like this. And then same thing underneath it. I'm going to make a nice oval shape right here. And then I'm just going to make a little bump up here and then a little bump right here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw two little lines out like this. And then I'm just going to put a little oval shape on the end. And then just 2 little bumps, just like that. Now, on the back of her, we want to make it look like it's a little bit furry. So I'm going to draw a couple little bumpy lines like this. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to put some more bumpy lines that just kind of come right all the way down to the end. Now for her wings. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this, and it's going to go out real far. Then I'm just going to curve it all the way back down to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to come around and then connect to this wing. Then I'm going to draw the other wing over here. I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go out like this. And then it's just going to curve back down to here. Then I'm going to draw another line right to here. It's going to kind of curve around, and then we'll bring it right to here. Now, starting right here, we want to add some details on the wing. So I'm going to add just some kind of bumpy lines on here just to make it look like it's a little furry. Do the same thing over here. And then there's lots of different ways you could do like the patterns and stuff on here. I'm just going to kind of keep it simple and then just make a couple little wavy lines for some stripes. Start them kind of bigger at the top and get them skinnier as they go down. Then I want to add her famous little circle shape at the end, so kind of just like a wiggly circle with another little one inside. And then I'm just going to draw a little squiggly line pattern around it. Then I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start with my little 2 wiggly stripes. Make them bigger at top and then skinnier as they go down. Her little circle shape. And then a little line right around here. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a little kind of squiggly curved line at the end. And then I'm just going to put a little circle inside. And then I'm just going to kind of do like a little stripe pattern. And this one you won't really see much, so I'll just kind of do a little curve there. Then, starting right here on her body, I just want to add a few little curved lines. Just like this. And then I'm going to add a couple more on this part of her. I can only really fit one right there. And then I'm just going to add some little curved lines on her eyes. And then I'm just going to put a couple more going the other way, just to kind of make it look like she's got kind of like those bug eyes. And then finally, the last thing I want to do is give her some antennas. You could kind of use these as antennas, but I think she could kind of use some normal ones. So, just real simple, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up like this in like a hook shape. Then I'm just going to kind of curve up to here and then come back down. And then same thing here, just kind of curve up and around like this. And then just kind of come back down. Keep it real skinny when you go down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Pokemon Mothra. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.